Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bisma Akram from BS Chemistry, roll number 63. My topic is body forms in sponges. What is sponges? Sponges, the members of the phylum Porifera, meaning the pore bearer, are the basal metazoa, clade as a sister of the diploblast. Sponges have unspecialized cells that can transfer into other types that can often migrate between the main cell layers and the mesophyll in the process. Phylum Porifera, Grant 1836, Kingdom Animalia, Domain Eukaryota. Sponges are filter feeders. They pump water into their body through their poria. The water flows through a large central cavity called spongocoel. As the water flows by the specialized collar cells, which are also known as choanocytes, filter out food particles such as bacteria. Phylum Porifera. The Porifera are sponges. They are primarily marine animals. Characteristics: their body consists of loosely organized cells. They vary in size from less than a centimeter to a mass. They are asymmetrical or radial symmetrical. They have three cell types: pianocytes, mesenchyma cells, and choanocytes. They have central cavity or spongocoel. This cavity is divided into branching chambers. Water circulates through these chambers for feeding. Numerous pores are present in the body walls, that is ostia and osculum. They have no tissue or organ. Skeleton is composed of spicules. Nervous system is absent, but neurosensory cells are present. Asexual reproduction takes place by budding. They are hermaphrodites, and larvae are produced during development. Types: sponges are divided into classes based on the types of spicules in their skeleton. There are three types of sponges: calcarea, hexatenlida, demospongia. Here we discuss three types one by one. Calcarea. Calcarea are the only sponges whose skeleton are made up of calcium carbonate. The class contains more than 400 species that can be found all over the world, but are mostly found in temperate waters such as Indian Oceans at shallow depth less than 1000 centimeter. These teeny sponges grow to less than 10 centimeters tall. Member. The calcareous sponges of class Calcareous are the members of the animal phylum Porifera, the cellular sponges. They are characterized by spicules made up of calcium carbonate in the form of calcite or aragonite, while the spicules in most species have 3 points. In some species have either 2 or 4 points. The second type is hexatenlida. Hexatenlida sponges are also known as glass sponges, can be found all over the world, but are particularly popular in Adriatic water. These sponges stand upright to the height of up to 30 centimeters, forming strong bases that can hold them to ocean, with open central cavities that allow water to pass through. They may form symbiotic relationship with shrimp who live inside the sponge's central cavity. A glass sponge with 2 shrimp inside it, sometime given as a wedding gift in Japan. Skeleton. Hexatenellite sponges are the sponges with a skeleton made of 4 and or 6 pointed siliceous spicules, often referred as glass sponges. They are usually classified among with other sponges in the phylum Porifera, but some researchers consider them sufficiently distinct to deserve their own phylum Symplasma. The third type is Demospongia. 90% of the world's sponges are found within the glass demosponges, which alone contain 4,750 species. These sponges are asymmetrical. Size can vary from 3 mm to over 2 meters in length. They come in a variety of bright hues ranging from yellow, orange, and red to purple and green. Demospongia can found in all parts of the ocean from the seashore to the furthest depth of the sea. Demosponges are the most diverse class in the phylum Porifera. They include 76.2% of all species of sponges with a soft body that covers a hard, often massive skeleton made of calcium carbonate, either aragonite and or calcite. Its scientific name is Demospongia, class Demospongia soles, 1885, phylum Porifera, rank class, higher classification sponge, kingdom Animalia. This class is the most diverse class in the phylum Porifera. The Demospongia is by far the most diverse sponge group. Greater than 90% of the 5,000 species, non-living species are Demosponges. It is the largest group of Porifera. I am taking the reference from Miller and Hartley book. Thank you.